extremely happy that a dream is coming true. Way back in 1997, we worked hard to start the first self-financing school of physiotherapy in whole of the Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh area. We had never thought that in a school with only 30 seats will in 25 years will grow into such a big institute which is now catering to 19 courses and 1000 students, including the master's courses in physiotherapy and in occupational therapy. Now we have the master courses in about 6 subjects and the other courses which are going on. There is a great demand for this institute in amongst the students, and the very happy thing is that we are also having a collaboration with the Manchester Metropolitan University. I am sure we will march ahead and will achieve still greater height. I wish my faculty members and students a very bright future and very bright future for our Mahasi.
I am extremely happy that I am the part of Silver Jubilee celebration of Mahasi. Today, this institute, which is a part of MGM Medical College Indore, is a totally self-financing institute, and today we are running 19 courses and imparting training to about 1000 students. We are going to start 5 more courses this year. We are determined to make this institute as a national level premier institute. There was a general demand of hostel for this institute, and I am happy to share that we are starting a 6-story hostel exclusively for female students.
Hi, myself Dr. Priyanshu Joshi. I am associated with this institute since 12 years. And within this 12 years of journey, I have seen immense improvement in this institute. We have improved like anything. In 2012 onwards, we started our PG college also. And since then, the college has improved like anything. And since now, we are under the Mahasi. And we are now developing our evidence-based therapy protocol. Thank you.
Myself, Savita Chauhan. I am Assistant Professor in Occupational Therapy Department at Mahasi. I would like to thank Founder Director Dr. D.K. Tanuja Sir and Principal Dr. Ram Malhotra Sir for established first Occupational Therapy Department in Madhya Pradesh. Thank you.
Dr. D.K. Tanuja Sir started school of physiotherapy in 1997 with 32 students. He nurtured school of physiotherapy till retirement in 2000. Later, the department was running with its own up and down. Drastically, a miracle occurred in 2018. Dr. D.K. Tanuja Sir laid a foundation of MGM Allied Health Science Institute with merging of physiotherapy course in it. Now the institute has more than 1,000 students. Dr. D.K. Taneja sir is making collaboration with many foreign universities which will serve the institute more.
I, Dr. Ramayana, Principal Mahasi, Indore, glad to inform that the glory fast of 143-year-old MGM Medical College, Indore, is going to celebrate Silver Jubilee year of the first self-finance School of Physiotherapy of MP State Government, which was established in the year 1997. The constant development is a motto of the institute, and the institute is moving towards a deemed university. I wish a great success to the students and staff of the institute. Thank you.
Presently running 19 different courses in the field of allied health sciences. The academic classes are being conducted with the help of various high-tech equipment such as interactive panels, smart class teachings, PowerPoint presentations, etc. In order to provide a two-way learning experience to the students, workshops, seminars, etc. are also being conducted. In order to provide a hands-on training experience to the students, the Advanced Therapy Lab has been set up in Mahasi, which also provides a practical training to all the students.
It's my privilege to talk about our institute, Mahasi MGM Medical College, and I can say it so proudly that I am an ex-student from the same institute and I got job here. Now it's been a decade, 10 years before I joined here as faculty. And I have seen many changes and success and growth of this institute, and it could happen just because of Dr. D.K. Taneja sir, who established this institute, the pioneer of our institute. And I am so fortunate and proud to be a part of Mahasi MGM Medical College. Thank you.
Science Institute, Mahasi, under the leadership of Dr. D.K. Taneja, is the first and largest allied health sciences institute in Madhya Pradesh. The institute at present is conducting 19 allied health courses and looking to the needs of allied health professionals, adding new courses every year. The institute has experienced faculty and which is with smart classrooms as well as various labs to enhance the academic excellence of the students. I urge the youth to come and visit the institute and join us to make a successful career in the medical sciences. Thank you, Jay.